lightly coated, and it's fully coated. So when you do it like this,
excited because this week has been our Culinary Summer Boot Camp. What we do this entire week is we go through the new menu items, and we have some exciting new things. We have some international flavors and so many new things that we're doing this year. So we spend this time throughout the summer training our managers and their leads on how to prepare the new items, introducing them to everything, letting them cook it, letting them taste it, so that they can let our students and faculty know how amazing the food is in the M&PS Cafe. Students will find out this year we have a lot of new parfaits. Parfaits has always been a great item, a very popular item. We have an entire Jamaican lunch menu, which includes jerk chicken, jollof rice, and honey glazed plantains. You're gonna love it. We have lots of new breakfast items and so many more plant-based items than we've ever had before. So come check us out. We got new stuff.